Relaxation exercises are a good way to reduce stress. Practicing the techniques on this CD can have a positive effect on your health, such as lowering your anxiety and reducing muscle tension. They can also help decrease the effects of stress on your mind by helping you to focus your attention and reduce frustration. You'll get the most benefit from these exercises when you can fit them into your daily or weekly routine. Pick a time during your day that you have some time to yourself. Maybe it's in the morning before the day begins. Maybe it's after the kids have gone to school or when the one you care for is napping. Try to set aside at least 10 to 20 minutes a day. Practice while you're doing other things. You can notice your breath while waiting for a doctor's appointment or waiting in line at the grocery store. You can practice while walking to your car, eating, or cooking dinner. Keep at it. You may find that there are times that you don't practice. Be patient with yourself. Don't let this become another stressor for you. Just get started again without judgment. If one exercise doesn't work for you, try another one until you find one that does work for you. Before you get started, locate a safe place where you can truly relax. Some places to consider doing these exercises are rooms where you can find some privacy, a room where you can shut the door, perhaps dim the lights or close the shades, a room that is quiet and peaceful. You may also consider a calm, comfortable outdoor area that has privacy and no noise distractions. For all exercises, whether sitting, lying down, or moving, make sure you are not feeling any pain. If there is any pain, please stop the exercise. After you've completed an exercise, you might have thoughts that arise. You may want to keep a journal nearby so you can record those thoughts. Now it's time for you to enjoy and relax.